Hello IG Garage family. So, is your check engine light on with the P0185 code? This means there's an issue with the fuel temperature sensor B circuit malfunction, which can affect your engine's fuel management and performance. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0185 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because this could save you from some really costly repairs. The P0185 trouble code indicates that the fuel temperature sensor, or FTSB circuit, has a fault. This sensor measures the fuel's temperature and sends data to the ECU, helping it adjust fuel delivery and combustion. If the circuit malfunctions, the ECU may receive incorrect readings, and that can lead to performance issues. Symptoms of P0185 include the check engine light coming on, engine performance issues, poor fuel efficiency, hard starting or stalling, and sometimes irregular fuel readings. Common causes of P0185 are first, a faulty fuel temperature sensor. The sensor might be damaged and giving out incorrect signals. Second, wiring or connector issues like loose, broken, or corroded connections, which can cause the circuit to fail. Third, fuel contamination. Water or dirt in the fuel can mess with the sensor's accuracy. And finally, an ECU communication error, where the ECU might misread the sensor signal because of an internal fault. So, the fuel temperature sensor is usually located inside the fuel tank, and it's attached right to the fuel pump module. In some vehicles, you might actually find it on the fuel rail, or sometimes it's integrated with the fuel pressure sensor. It's connected to the ECU through a wiring harness, so, make sure to check for any wiring damage or loose connections while you're at it. First, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wiring near the sensor. If you find anything faulty, just repair or replace the wiring. Next, test the fuel temperature sensor by using an obd2 scanner to check the live sensor data. If the readings are inconsistent or missing, go ahead and replace the sensor. Then check your fuel quality, inspect for water or debris in the fuel system, and if it's contaminated, drain and replace the fuel. Finally, reset the ECU and take your car for a test drive. Clear the P0185 code with an obd2 scanner, and drive for a few miles to make sure the issue is actually resolved. And that's how you fix P0185 and make sure your fuel system is working the way it should. Fixing this issue will, definitely help improve your fuel economy and prevent potential engine problems down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos. P0111, intake air temperature sensor, circuit range or performance, and P0112, intake air temperature sensor circuit low input. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.